Just one more for the record. Oh, Nardies.
Oh, this is going to look great on me at the annual Smighty Solstice Sing-Along and Barbecue. Thanks for helping, Zeb. Ouch, ouch, ouch! Pins, pins, pins!
Righteous! Whoa, sorry, little Nardy Crab Dude. No way. Could it be the big one? The ultimate wave that I've been dreaming of riding ever since I could handle 10 when I was 10? But what's causing the shaky?
This big-time bubble blaster is cutting through the rock heading to the castle like tamales through a Biggs. Once we're under the castle, I'll shake up things and get my hands on the Smighty Stones. Whoa!
Calm down, everyone. It's just an earthquake.
Whoa! Man, am I stoked! I'm finally going to live out my dream and ride the big one and get my big one ultimate wave medal. I've ridden all the other size waves, but not the big one.
Big what? Wave? What big wave? Is that a Smighty Nami? But those are giant but narrow waves caused by earthquakes, Ed. Earthquakes? A Smighty Nami? It'll wash over Smighty Land and destroy everything in its path. We're aquatically doomed.
We have to get every Smighty to Mount Smeverest in the air region. Sorry you don't get to live out your dream, dude. Sorry, dude. Yeah,
Sorry, dude.
Hey, we gotta save Smighties. My dream can wait.
That's the Super Six spirit. Smighty off!
Uh-huh. According to my calculations and this map, we're directly under the castle. Just one more big blast, and the castle comes down like a house of cards. Like we saw Nardi building earlier.
Biggs, stop messing around. Let's get out of here.
Power, power! Super speed, go! Huddle up, Super Six! We have to change the direction of the Smighty Nami. I wonder, could we change the direction of the giant wave by asking it nicely? Probably not. But what if Dude tries to ride the big one? Dude, can you ride it and steer it in another direction?
Never done that before. Don't know. But I could try. Or totally wipe out.
Dude.
Hey, I could really see my house from up here. Whoa! Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Ugh! Oh!
Watch
Of course! Bid 10, dudes! Shoot the girl! Dolphin posse!
Hurry, Biggs! Only moments before the castle crumbles!
Hey, boss, how long can you hold your breath?
There! The hole! Sail this ride!
Let's get out of here.
For saving Smitey Land and riding the Smighty Nami, I present to you surfing's highest medal, the big one!
Yeah. Thanks, brah. But when I was riding it from the top, I realized that it wasn't the big one.
Wasn't the big one? Sure looked big to me.
It was actually the second biggest big one. So, like, I still got my dream to ride that.
There's a bigger big one than that?
We're done! It's party time!
Let's go, Smighties! Come along with us. Everyone needs a hero they can count on. With our little love and the best of friends. We are small and mighty heroes. Together we can make it through it all. Whoa, oh, whoa. We are small and mighty heroes. Celebrate adventure in our world. We will work as a team. They scream.
If my chaos cannon's not operational in the next 5 seconds, I'll finished! Excellent. I've got the Smighty Clubhouse in my sights. Load the cannon! If you want something done right, you've got to do it yourself. Now, let's see what's going on.
Uh-oh, the boss isn't gonna like this.
Something that sounds like da-da-da.
Guys, come on! Everything has to be perfect for our annual Smighty Firelighty camping trip. I said...
Sneeble! Alrighty, Smighties, prepare for battle! Stand back, Sneeble!
Sneeble? What's a Sneeble? Who are you? Where am I? Who am I?
It appears that calamitous tumble has given Sneeble amnesia.
Amnesia? Not amnesia! What's amnesia?
It means he lost his memory. He can't remember who he is.
Then that means he doesn't remember what a bad guy he was. So what do we do with him?
Isn't it obvious? We tell him what a great guy he is.
What?
Sneeble, my man! So glad to have you back, brah. You're just in time for the Smighty Firelighty camping trip. Your favorite.
Huh? So, I liked camping?
You sure did, brah. You liked camping, helping people, giving compliments, and, not being evil.
Hiya, Nardi. On your left.
What?
Hey, guys. Sorry we're late. Yeah, we have to... Is that Sneeble?
Are you sure I love giving piggyback rides? This doesn't ring any bells.
It's a long story.
Oh no! The boss must have hit his head, which turned him nice. There's only one way to bring him back. Hitting him in the head again.
Here are your toasty, roasty marshmallows.
that didn't work.
I'm gonna win! I'm gonna win!
Ah, that didn't work. Ah, that didn't work.
Morning, Woodrow. Perelda. Hot chocolate with mini marshmallows? Zip, zap. I made your favorite eggs, sunny side up. They're happy, just like me. Dude, Nardi, have I told you how handsome you both are? You should be models.
Sneevil, I never thought I'd say this, but you're Smighty-rific.
Yeah!
You're incredible. We love you.
Yeah, that's right.
Now what'll I do? Oh, this is all your fault. Uh-oh.
Guys, I just want to thank all of you for being such great friends. And to show my appreciation, I've prepared a song for you all.
Sneevil, you okay, brah?
Ew! Smighties everywhere! There's only one thing to do. Fire the Chaos Cannon!
He's back! Oh, boss, I'm so happy you're back. Hey, can I have a piggyback ride?